Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, this lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 100 horsepower. It's done 15,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.